Want your ride's data without spending on sensors and external units? This is MotoSpeed. It turns your iPhone or Android into a real motorcycle dashboard. As soon as you start a session, your screen becomes your dashboard. Large, readable speed, and at the center, the feature that makes MotoSpeed unique, your lean angle in real time. In the settings, you choose the theme and panel colors, and set where you mounted your phone, so the lean angle stays accurate. You also enable speed camera alerts and voice announcements. The navigator is built for riding. Search a destination, or start from a point of interest. Fuel, restaurants, hotels, parking, and ready-made motorcycle routes across passes and peaks. And you set your preferences, like avoiding tolls, motorways, or ferries. Then choose the type of route, the fastest, the shortest, or the most fun and full of curves, and start. Turn-by-turn directions appear right on your dashboard, along with speed and lean, with voice guidance and speed camera alerts as you ride. While you ride, MotoSpeed records everything: speed, acceleration, braking, and lean angle, with the peak values always in view on your dashboard. After the ride, open the full analysis: charts for speed, lean angle corner by corner, acceleration and braking, and a map colored by lean. Every ride is saved in your history and can be exported as GPX and CSV. The best part comes from the website, motopath.it, with the planner. Tap the map and build your ride stop by stop. Distance and time update instantly, and you can reorder or remove stops however you like. When you're happy with the route, save it to your account, or download it as a GPX file, the standard that every navigator reads. Then take it on the road. Open MotoSpeed, load the GPX from your tracks, and start navigation on the dashboard. Plan your ride from home and on the road, just focus on riding. MotoSpeed, no external hardware on iPhone and Android. Download it at motopath.it.